See children, globe. Can you see? Globe. Can you see these lines? Can you see these lines? So these are longitudes. See, these are longitudes, right? Connecting the poles. See, this is South Pole, this is North Pole. So these lines are connecting the poles and all are equal. So with the help of these longitudes, we can say that what the time having on the places of that latitude, longitudes. See, here so many countries are there, isn't it not? So these longitudes can move like this, isn't it not? On its axis we cannot see. It is from the center of the globe, right? So to take one rotation like this, okay, one rotation on its axis. So how many hours it is taking? 24 hours. 24 hours it is taking to complete one rotation. That means every longitude whatever is there, that once they will face the sun. So here is the sun. Every longitude once they will face the sun. Yes. So here longitude, one longitude, to move one longitude, see from here to here, from one longitude to another, just to move like this, it is taking 4 minutes. How much time it is taking? 4 minutes from here to here. Yes, 4 minutes. So like that, total how many longitudes are there? 360 longitudes are there. So each and every longitude will going to face once the sun, opposite to the sun, comes once opposite to the sun. Like that, all longitudes in their rotation, every longitude will face opposite to the sun. Will face opposite to the sun. Yes. So the longitude water facing the sun, all the places will be getting the sunlight. Will getting the sunlight. The sunshine will be vertically overhead, exactly falling on those places. Isn't it not? Will be having a same time. The places which is getting the sun's temperature overhead having the same time, right? So suppose this is the sun. Now all the places, now sun falling on these longitudes. So whatever the places are there on this longitude, all will be having a same time. Yes. So Greenwich longitude. Yes, Nana? Greenwich longitude. See, this is in England. Yes. From London, this 0 degree longitude is passing through like this, right? 0 degree longitude. So that is why from 0 degree the time is measured. From the 0 degree time is measured. So to complete one round all the 360 longitudes, it is taking 24 hours. How many hours it is taking? 24 hours. So 24 hours they are taking to complete one rotation. Yes, all latitudes once all longitudes once completing one round, they are taking 24 hours, right? That means one day. Yes, seeing these longitudes. Yes. So this temperature overhead falling on the longitude, all the places will be getting same temperature. Which called meridian. Meridian means noon. Meridian means noon. So that is why the places whatever located on the longitude will get the same temperature. So that is why they are called as meridians. Meridians means noon. Noon means what? Sunshine vertically falling on those places, all will have same temperature. According to that, the time is measured. So from 0 degree longitude, that is Greenwich longitude, the time is measured. From the 0 degree longitude, the time is measured. And when we are moving to the eastward, east side, so from longitude, from east side, from 0 degree longitude to the east side, when we are moving, 4 minutes is added. And when you are moving to the west side, 4 minutes is deducted, means minus. 4 minutes is when you are moving like this. moving to, when we are moving towards the west, 4 minutes is deducted, and when we are moving to the east side, 4 minutes is added. Yes, to cross one longitude it is taking 4 minutes. How much time it is taking? To cross one longitude it is just taking 4 minutes. 1 degree of longitude to move it is taking 4 minutes. Like that 360 longitudes they are taking 24 hours to complete one round. Yes, that means once they are facing the sun in a day. Once in one round, at least once they will face in a day. So all the places whatever are located in that longitude will have same time. So which is called as a meridian, or which means noon. So like, but moving to the west or moving to the east, when you are moving to the east, time 4 minutes is added. When you are moving to the west, 4 minutes is deducted. It is really a confusion. Yes or no, children? It is really a confusion. Moving to eastwards or moving to the westward, deducting and adding, it is really a confusion. So that is why all the countries have selected their own standard time. They have selected their own standard time. Every country, they have their own standard time. Like that, even India also having their own standard time. Even India is also having their own standard time. So the line which is passing exactly from the center of the India, that line is selected as a standard time, or a standard time, or a Indian local time, we can tell. Yes. Now see, 82.5 degree. Here you can see it. So this is a world map. Yes, are you seeing? This is a world map. Yeah, 82.5 degree line, a line which is passing exactly center of our India. Exactly center of our country, which is passing through, is 82.5 degree. It is called as Indian Standard Time. 82.5 degree longitude which is passing middle of the India is India's standard time. It is moving through Allahabad. It is moving through Allahabad. Here very small Allahabad, which is in Uttar Pradesh, and when come to the Andhra Pradesh, it is moving through Kakinada. Like that, this 82.5 degree line passing through. That is our Indian Standard Time, or Indian local time. And it is 5.5 hours ahead, because where is England? West side, isn't it not? England is west side. See, west, whereas India is in the east side. East. So that is right. It is 5.5 hours. It is backward. We are ahead. We are 5.5 hours ahead. So whatever the time we are having, 5 hours late they will have. Yes, we are 5.5 hours forward than these Western countries. Okay, now? This is about the time we have learned. In our next class, we will going to learn about maths. And today, you read about longitudes and standard time. Longitudes and standard time. Read the lesson. Okay, children? Bye.